G'day, Bimble here. Let's do this little Alpha Z. Having a wee break from a hard sidebar lock. Nice little cam lock, nice and smooth. This is not really the right flag to be using, but yeah, I might change my flag actually. This thing's too tiny, so I won't turn that very. I was using this number 5. It was just moving around a bit in the keyboard, but that was quite cool. Like the bigger Alpha I picked recently, it's quite talkative. Has quite a good feel to it. I won't bother gutting it. This one, it should be pretty straightforward anyway, because it's just got strips on it, but maybe another time. Thanks for watching.